Hey, morning guys. We're at Papaya Gardens. It's 7:10 already. We got to get going. Talk to you guys later. Hey, morning guys again. Something looks different this week. So the Singapore streets are lined with posters and banners. We're gonna have a general election coming Friday, 10th of July. This area where I'm running on is Bishan Papaya GRC. It will be contested between SPP versus the ruling party PFP. Talk to you guys later. So this is my friend. Okay, so my friend Steve Chia from SPP. Look at the car park, it's already full. What does it tell you? The trails will be quite packed today. As you can see, people are making their way into MacRitchie Reservoir. It's a beautiful view this morning. So it's looking very dry today at the trail. I don't see any patches of big mud patches. It should be a dry and hot run. Hey， 妈妈早上好，今天又来到了麦里基市曲池自然保护区。今天的天气很晴朗，天气很好，我又来到这边做运动。拜拜。We're down steps. Lots of hikers today. It's very crowded. Lots of monkeys too today. And so I'm running up this unmarked road. Let's take the Julong Tong Trail today. So this is the second time I'm running the Julong Tong Trail. It's a slight downslope to Ranger Station, about 1 km. As you can see, the Julong Tong Trail is also quite crowded. Normally I like to take the Amak Road. which has a slight upslope. And that's also one of the locations where I do my gear introduction. Let's carry on and do the gear intro later. Slight downslope here. Another monkey out looking for food. Okay, I've done my pit stop at Ranger Station. Let's do a short gear introduction. Oh, there's another one right in front carrying a baby. Seems to be a lot of them today. Okay, today I'm wearing a Denani Australian water bladder. I filled up with 1 liter of water. Behind me, I put my MRT card, some money, and also my handphone. So streaming today on my playlist is Zhen Deng Ziqi. Okay, we'll carry on. Let's head towards Bukit Timah. This section here that I'm climbing will be an intermediate to advanced trail. It gets very slippery when it rains. The soil can get very soft, so you always try to run on the higher ground, clear the area, run on the side. Okay, now we are at Rifle Range Road. As you can see, today a lot of hikers, runners, cyclists. The road is full. Okay, full. The sun is already out on my back. You can see the shadow. Okay, so I'll try to clear Rifle Range Road as fast as possible. facing Rifle Range flyover. Below me is BKE Bukit Timah Expressway, as you can see. Okay, we're not going to stop here. We're just going to continue straight down the road, Rifle Range Road. Look at it. Ancient, tall, beautiful bamboo. Oh, beautiful. Okay folks, I'm running along Rifle Range Road, the further section. 2 years ago, when I was serving the army, we used to come here to exercise, do army exercise. So along this stretch, there used to be lots of rambutan trees. So we would stop our tree tunnel, climb up to the top of the tree tunnel, get some sticks and try to hook down branches of rambutan. So right now I don't see any. It's probably cleared already. So we got about roughly 3k more. Okay folks, I see quite a lot of durian trees inside here. This is the durian loop. Temasek Club is on my right. One biker stopping there, he's in trouble. And so I just spoken to the biker, maybe you can see it behind. Okay, I think he just got a fall, got some scuff. I checked with him if it's okay, he said it's okay. So I do need to offer him some help. I thought I'd help him to push his bike to the main road so he can get home. So this road is quite nasty, don't go too fast. We see some private housing already. It's the end of Rifle Range Road. I'm not sure where this road will lead me to next. I'm running without a map. And so I came from Rifle Range Road, we passed by Temasek Club. Let's continue route down and see where it goes. I'm not sure if you can see. Look at those, look at those. Very nice birds. Oh, cool. Okay, let's continue. I'm running along Jalan Anak Bukit. Straight ahead will be Bukit Timah Nature Reserve. The railway crossing line stop. So the PAP candidate so almost reaching the visitor center. Oh, it's very crowded here. And we have arrived at the Bukit Timah Visitor Center. It's a steep 800 meters up to the summit. We're just going to do this last portion and see you at the top. Gotta go by the steps, 150 meters. Let's go. On your right. Your right side. Right side. On your right. On right side. Keep left. Keep left. we have reached the Bukit Timah Nature Reserve summit. Wow, look at this place. It's a Saturday and it's very crowded. Full of people. Super crowded summit. Just go and say hello, take a photo here. Okay, let's continue. Okay folks, we are almost to the end of the trail. Another 250 meters more. So today's run is a good run. Okay folks, you see more people coming into Bukit Timah Nature Reserve. Okay, we have done the run today, a very good run, total 17k. We started off from Toa Payoh Gardens Park, going to MR, into Rifle Range Road, and then I head towards Bukit Timah Nature Reserve. And that's the end point. Talk to you guys next week, bye bye.